scary to me, honestly.
Oh, I didn't even really. I just rolled off.
You know, no, like once you started going, I wasn't expecting that. But like, oh my
Yeah,
God.
once the boost comes on,
This thing is a riot, man.
Hey guys, and welcome back. The race season is upon us. Also pollen season for the Southeast. Either way, in this video, we're gonna take the old Golf R to its first autocross of the year. If you saw the previous video of me jumping up to GST class, it's street touring, a lot more competitive, a lot faster cars, a lot faster races than street class that I won the championship in last year. So we'll see what we could keep going. The car pretty much is stock aside from suspension upgrades. If you didn't see the video of me putting it into street touring class, I'll link it below, but it pretty much is gonna be a progression. There's a lot I could do with the car in this class. With this one, it's gonna be just suspension. We didn't get an alignment done. I didn't have enough time. We'll do that probably before the next event. We'll get a corner balanced. I'll make a video on that. And then after that, we could do tune, clutch, all kinds of stuff. So for now, we're just starting out with a stock Golf R on some PSS 10 coilovers from Bilstein. And hopefully that will be enough to at least be somewhat competitive in class. Like I said, very competitive class. Second thing, this is gonna be kind of a two-part video. Yesterday, Lauren and I went to Rockingham Speedway to watch our boy Cleet and Squirrel race the ARCA and O'Reilly series. It was a lot of fun. It's been probably 20 years since I've been to a NASCAR race, which shows you that boy is putting butts in seats. And either way, it was a lot of fun to watch. I'll put some clips from that at the end. Aside from that, let's get to the action and let's see how competitive we can be with the R just on coilovers. I think I forgot to mention that this is a night event and we're up next. We're second run group, so sun's going down as you can see in the background there. GST is filled with fast as cars and fast as drivers. So I don't know, there's 8 cars in class. I'm gonna aim maybe for the podium. We'll see.
Oh no, you might have to help me with the strap.
Yeah, I got you.
I forgot the helmet sock, oh well.
Yeah, you don't need it. I don't use one, it's your own sweat.
Yeah, I'll probably use it next event then.
All right, so. That good?
Yeah.
I just rolled off.
You know, no, like once you started going, I wasn't expecting that. But like, oh my
yeah,
God.
Once the boost comes on,
this thing is a riot, man. This thing is a machine, man. I was not expecting that.
Most people don't. That's the best part because it's quiet.
Yeah, it just looks like any golf. I'm not gonna lie, but that's cool though. It's like under a sleeper.
Yeah. Well, good luck.
So I just gotta.
Yep. Just hop in your car because they're gonna send you here.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, first run out of the way. Third in packs overall. First in class right now, but that won't hold because I technically would have gotten beaten if Joseph didn't cone it, so no reason to get excited yet. Nothing wrong with that, but I overshot it in that first section, lost time, so definitely could improve there. Okay, 27-0, we're on our third run, still holding the lead, but I don't expect that to stay, but we'll see. I got to clean up that first section. That was messy, and it was still a faster run, so I think if I get that clean and then do everything else I did, we'll be in the 26s.
Good to go.
But we smoked the cone, so it's doable. It's a shame about the cone. That was the last cone too. Fuck me. Alright, last run. Focus on my own race. Good launch. Don't miss second. Do the same thing I did, and it'll be enough. I don't know if that was enough. Maybe that was enough. Oh man, who the hell knows? How much did you get me by?
I did a 26.6.
That's what I did.
You did a 26.6?
Just now.
I missed second again, and then I
You got me by 200.
Oh, shit, dude!
I did a 26.5 on my
Nice,
previous.
dude.
Like,
I was chasing you the whole time. Way to go, dude.
Good job.
That was nice. Come on!
So as you guys would have seen there, Albert got me by 0.02 of a second on his last run. That's what happens. If I didn't cone away my best run, that would have been an easy, well, maybe not an easy victory, but that would have been a victory. And it would have been good enough to be top of packs, which is absolutely insane for the R to be that high up. Granted, there was a lot of cars there that couldn't open up the taps per se because it was a tight, small track. So this is probably my best chance to ever be top packs. Life's a lesson. Car will get better. Congratulations to Albert. I had my work cut out for me this season. We'll see if I could beat him in the future. It was very, very close. We were second and third fastest cars on the property, which is insane to say. And I'm happy with the R. But as promised, here's some clips from the ARCA and O'Reilly's race we went to yesterday. Thanks, guys.
Thank you for your
dedication and your sacrifice in service to the greatest nation on the planet Earth. One more time, race fans, let's give them a Rockingham thank you to our military leaders and their families with a round of applause for their service to the United States.